Hello, and welcome to the FPGA AI Suite Docker installation video. In this video, we'll walk through setting up FPGA AI Suite using Docker. You'll learn how to download the official image, prepare your environment, and get everything ready for development. Let's dive in and make the setup process simple and straightforward. We'll begin by pulling the FPGA AI Suite Docker image from Altera's Docker Hub. You can find the link in the video description below. This image includes everything you need: files, binaries, and dependencies, so you can run FPGA AI Suite in a containerized environment. Using the official image ensures full compatibility with FPGA AI Suite's tools and workflows. Once the download is complete, we'll launch the container. This step opens the FPGA AI Suite environment and loads all the necessary tools for development. Next, we'll install the OpenVINO Toolkit components inside a Python virtual environment. This is required for model downloading and conversion. FPGA AI Suite currently supports OpenVINO version 2024.6. Finally, we'll create a working directory and set the required environment variables by running the DLA init local directory.sh script. This prepares your workspace for the next steps. To verify that everything is installed correctly, you can run the help command. This will display the available options and confirm that the FPGA AI Suite tools are ready to use. That's it. You've successfully set up FPGA AI Suite using Docker and prepared your environment for development. From here, you can start exploring AI models, running inference, and generating IP for FPGA deployment. Thanks for watching.